Welcome back. After months of underperformance on global currency markets, the rand continues to strengthen on the back of a strong dollar and hope of a new political administration in South Africa. It is the best performing emerging market currency on the emerging market index at the moment at around 11 rand 93 cents to the US dollar. The rise in the rand began in December after the ANC conference.
Before the ANC conference in December last year, the rand was trading at around 13 rand 70 cents to the dollar. It began to strengthen after the ANC conference, reaching 12 rand 40 cents at the beginning of January. The trend has continued until now.
Cyril Ramaphosa is inspiring some business confidence. We've seen some flows coming back into equity markets. Emerging markets are in favour, and we're obviously the most developed economy in South Africa, so there is also those catalysts. But we're seeing that now action is being taken. We've seen a reshuffle Eskom under Cyril's watch. We've seen some hawks being more active in the investigations on the whole, the saga of state capture. So there are some domestic catalysts for that, and there are some external catalysts.
The external catalysts being the weakening of the US dollar to a level not seen in 3 years or so, combined with a positive global economic outlook.
Global growth is looking much healthier across the board. Emerging markets are in favour, in line with that, and certainly the outlook for commodities seems to be a lot better than it was a little while ago. And obviously we've got quite a lot of resources companies within our economy. So we think that the global picture is looking better, and markets are looking, despite the short-term volatility, equity markets are still looking reasonably healthy at the moment.
Expectations are that the rand will continue to strengthen even more in the coming months.
There's been quite an aggressive move back below 12 rand to the dollar mark, and 11.80 seems to be an obvious target in the near term. If that level doesn't hold, we actually think there could be some further strength in line with the trend down to about 11 rand 30 to the dollar.
But the rand is the most traded currency in the world and is prone to volatility. While the general expectation is that it will continue to strengthen further, the opposite could be the case depending on a range of as yet unknown global and domestic factors. Bongani Mutua, SABC News.